In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Google Chrome language back to English. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open before moving to the next part. Once Chrome is open, look to the upper right corner of the browser window. You will see the three-dot menu. After the menu appears, click Settings. This will take you to Chrome's Settings page, where you can control how the browser looks and behaves. If Chrome is currently in another language, the word for settings may look different, but it is usually found near the lower part of the menu and is often paired with a gear icon or a familiar layout position. Take your time and click carefully. When you are in Settings, find and click Language. This section controls the language Chrome uses for its interface, including menus, buttons, and other browser text. Once you open the Language section, you can review the current language settings and switch Chrome back to English if needed. If the page is still difficult to read because it is in another language, focus on the placement of the menu and section names rather than the exact words. The layout is usually consistent, which makes it easier to navigate even when the language has changed. A helpful tip is to keep the browser window large so all menu items are easier to spot. If you click the wrong option, simply go back and try again. There is no need to rush. That covers everything you need to know.